Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we are going to discuss FPSC vocabulary and grammar MCQs that are very important for FPSC lecture paper. So first one is Nafisa is afraid dash spiders. Nafisa is afraid, यहाँ पे कौन सी preposition आएगी? Of. Nafisa is afraid of spiders. The railway track runs dash the river. The railway track runs across the river आएगा. शी इज़ एंग्री डैश यू. शी इज़ एंग्री के साथ हमेशा विद आता है. शी इज़ एंग्री विद यू. दानिश केम आउट डैश हिज ऑफिस लुकिंग टायर्ड एंड वरीड. दानिश केम आउट टू फ्रॉम एट ऑफ द ऑफ इज़ द करेक्ट आंसर. आप में से जो लोग चैनल पर न्यू हैं, जिनने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, काइंडली ASPPSC गाइड एंड इंग्लिश प्रिपरेशन मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कीजिएगा और सबसे शेयर कीजिएगा. His people built many memorials dash his greatness. His people built many memorials to his greatness. I saw you dancing dash party. I saw you dancing at the party. I am proud dash my brother. I am proud of my brother आएगा. like हम जिस तरह से डेली रूटीन में कहते हैं I am proud of you. मुझे तुम पर फ़ख्र है. The candidate shall abide dash ऑल डायरेक्शंस. अबाइड के साथ बाय आता है. अबाइड बाय ऑल डायरेक्शंस, इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंड रेगुलेशंस इशूड बाय द डिपार्टमेंट. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज उस्मान इज़ ऑफ्रेड डैश डॉग. उस्मान इज़ ऑफ्रेड ऑफ डॉग. आपको इस चैनल पर PPSC और FPSC इंग्लिश लेक्चर की कंप्लीट प्लेलिस्ट भी मिल जाएगी और PPSC FPSC इंग्लिश इंटरव्यू की भी प्लेलिस्ट मिल जाएगी. The man was charged dash murder. The man was charged with murder. He is responsible dash the president for his decisions. He is responsible to the president for his decisions. He looks upset. I think he took the criticism dash hard. I think he took the criticism too hard आएगा. He is jealous dash her success. He is jealous के साथ of आएगा. He is jealous of her success. He is interested dash history. He is interested in history like I am interested in books. I am interested in reading books. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. आपने सोच समझ के प्रपोजिशंस को लगाना होता है. He is good dash football like he is good at football. He is good at mathematics. This is the bus dash goes to the Sadar Bazaar. Which goes to the Sadar Bazaar. As dash me I will be happy to lend a hand. As for me, I will be happy to lend a hand. We arrived dash the station an hour late. We arrived at the station an hour late. She is jealous dash my friend. She is jealous of my friend. द बुक इज़ डैश द मग एंड द पेन. दो चीज़ों के दरमियान की बात हो रही है, मीन्स बिटवीन आएगा, नॉट अमंग. जब दो से ज़्यादा की बात हो तो हम अमंग का प्रपोजिशन यूज़ करते हैं. द सेम कंसिडरेशंस आर इक्वली एप्लीकेबल डैश एक्सीडेंट क्लेम्स. द सेम कंसिडरेशंस आर इक्वली एप्लीकेबल टू एक्सीडेंट क्लेम्स. ही वॉज upbraided dash his slovenly appearance. He was upbraided for his slovenly appearance. Translate this passage dash English. Translate, मोस्टली लोग गलती करते हैं, इन लगा देते हैं. Translate this passage in English. यहाँ पे करेक्ट प्रपोजिशन आएगा into. Translate this passage into English. Either Sana or her friends dash present there were present there. Do you mean to say you exchanged that lovely car dash this for this? Sana is different dash other girls. Sana is different from other girls आएगा. He always insisted dash his opinion. He always insisted on his opinion जो है वो करेक्ट आंसर है. The shopkeeper has charged me 10 rupees dash this book. Shopkeeper has charged me 10 rupees for this book is the clear and correct option. He is getting out dash the car. He is getting out of the car आएगा. The next question is both parties must adhere dash the terms of the contract to the terms of the contract. He was accused dash theft. He was accused of theft. I am good at tennis. ये हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. Turn left dash the traffic lights. Turn left at the traffic lights. The next question is a good judge never jumps dash the conclusion. जो अच्छा जज होता है never jumps to the conclusion आएगा. Parents expect more dash their children. Parents expect more of their children. He took his brother dash the hand by the hand. He succeeded dash killing the tiger. He succeeded in killing the tiger. We congratulate you on your achievement tiger. जैसे हम कहते हैं we congratulate you on your success. When the meeting had finished, they went dash the plane once again. Over the plane once again. I am going dash home. I am going home आएगा none. Add to towards कुछ भी नहीं. I am going home. So okay. He accused the man dash stealing. He accused the man of stealing. Mother was aware of her children. Okay. He is fond of drying आएगा. I was alarmed at his death. Okay. The next question is, what did you make of the lecture? Okay. The teacher set some homework dash the end of the lesson. At the end of the lesson, he writes in ink. Okay. If dash the match, I will go to KPK Peshawar to meet the sports board chairperson. ये जो है कंडीशनल टाइप 1 क्वेश्चन है. आई विल नेक्स्ट में आ गया है तो इधर आई विन सिंपल आएगा. प्रेजेंट सिंपल के साथ फ्यूचर सिंपल का कॉम्बिनेशन होता है. इफ़ आई विन द मैच आई विल गो टू KPK. ओके. द नेक्स्ट इज आई हैव बीन वर्किंग हेयर डैश 10 ईयर्स. यहाँ पे फॉर 10 ईयर्स आएगा चूँकि जब हमारे पास गिवन टाइम पीरियड होता है हम फॉर लगाते हैं. जब हमारे पास स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट होता है तब हम सिंस का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. आई सस्पेक्ट हिम ऑफ स्टीलिंग द पेन. माई ब्रदर वॉज ट्रैम्बलिंग डैश कोल्ड. माई ब्रदर वॉज ट्रैम्बलिंग विद कोल्ड आएगा. ही इज़ वरीड डैश हिज फ्यूचर. ही इज़ वरीड अबाउट हिज फ्यूचर आएगा. द नेक्स्ट इज दे आर एंक्शियस अबाउट हिज हेल्थ. She is thankful to you for being so patient with her. Okay. He is weak dash grammar. He is weak in grammar. I have had problems similar dash yours. Similar to yours. I am sick dash job. I am sick of job. He is averse dash hard work. He is averse to hard work. Unfortunately, we had to cancel it owing dash the bad weather. Owing to the bad weather. She suffers dash a heart disease. She suffers from a heart disease. The food is very good dash that restaurant. The food is very good in that restaurant. You must bear dash his pranks. You must bear with his pranks. There is no point dash arguing. There is no point in arguing. The prisoner was bound dash the stake. The prisoner was bound to the stake आएगा. Prime Minister has arrived dash London. Prime Minister has arrived in London आएगा. She is interested dash drawing and painting. She is interested in drawing and painting. There is still no cure dash AIDS. Still no cure for AIDS. Sana was staring dash me. Sana was staring at me. Sana is popular dash her friends. Sana is popular with her friends आएगा यहाँ पे clear option. The training session has been changed from 9 dash 10. 9 to 10 आएगा. Okay. Amna was engaged dash Asim. That 2 का ऑप्शन जो है वो यहाँ पे correct answer है. I am dash sure of it as you are. I am as sure of it as you are. It was kind of you to help. यहाँ पे of जो है वो correct option है. So the next word is the word in these books will be of value dash you. Of value to you आएगा. यहाँ पे to clear option है. He is serious dash visiting Islamabad. He is serious of visiting Islamabad. Fakhar Zaman appeared settled dash the crease. Fakhar Zaman appeared settled at the crease. He got dash his illness in 2 weeks. He got over his illness in 2 weeks. He is now ashamed of his conduct जो है वो clear option है. Please do not get angry dash me. Please do not get angry with me. We arrived the village at night. We arrived at the village at night. I will be glad to get rid dash him. To get rid of him. The last objective of this video is my book is different dash yours. My book is different from yours. I hope it's clear to all of you. Kindly चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर लें ताकि हर नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक पहुंच सके. जज़ाकल्लाह. थैंक यू वेरी मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.